guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to our channel, and today we will show you how we create
Batman!
It's very quick design and it's popular at the events. So we start with yellow. So I'm going to use 1/2-inch angle brush for the black. Around the eye. Mask. Then just fill in the space. For the last part, I'm going to use brush number 1. It's very thin, it's great for highlights, and we're going to add a little highlights for the Batman. Ta-da! You like it?
Yeah.
Awesome. If you like this video and if you find it helpful, please give us thumbs up
And subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.